Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 23rd of February 2025, and I'll be going over my weekly or bi-week 2-week prediction in this case for SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's just get into the video. So we can see that the S&P 500 and therefore SPY has been on a large bull run. I mean, long bull run, starting around here actually in 2022 October. Now we see the RSI and MACD clearly confirm this price action, so strong on that front. However, volume has been consistently declining, indicating a weak uptrend. So that is something to be wary of. Similarly, in the weekly charts, we can see we had some fluctuations, but we're still going steadily upwards. We do have a bearish, well, not a bearish engulfing pattern. This is very similar. It's still a very bearish candle. We can see that the RSI has been diverging from price and for a while now, so that's a very bearish signal, and I've been explaining this for weeks on my channel. MACD has turned negative as well, so we should be expecting a negative reversal anytime soon. Again, we need signals for that, but yes, we do have quite a lot of bearish sentiment coming from the weekly charts, and that's what we can gain from the weekly charts. We see that we were at sort of the resistance here, or the all-time high, and then the price rebounded back down. So we're facing resistance here, and we will need to cross that resistance point to be able to take a strong buy signal. Now, daily charts, clearly we can see we hit this all-time high here, and then after that the price reversed drastically back down. I mean, it was probably a sell-off, but you can see that in one day the MACD turned completely negative. I mean, it was still hovering near negative anyways, but still, this is when it formally became negative. RSI crashed down as well. We can see that this was a volume spike. So it may have been a sell-off sparked by other news events. And maybe sellers just wanted to cash in their profits. That's what we gained from these charts. And let me just change this here so this is not confusing. This says the 7th of March, but really this prediction is practically only valid for this week, since that's what the analysis is on. Last week was profitable. Feel free to pause the video and look through these values yourself. This week we'll buy SPY when it crosses 613 and sell when it falls below 597.4 with a target of 1% and a trailing stop loss of 0.5%. If neither are hits, then we will close on Friday, or in this case, since it's a 2-week prediction, we may continue that, but typically on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.